Hi, I'm Kaval. I'm trying my level best to explain you all aspects of such questions. So let's begin. Question is, at what annual rate of markup means rate of interest, would rupees 6,800 amount become 9,044 in 11 years? Time duration 11 years. Now we have to find markup rate, but in this we don't have markup. All right, they are saying that this actual amount become this one, 6,800 amount become 1044 in 11 years. Find markup. Markup means find interest and find its rate also. So first we find markup, then we find its rate. Alright, so how could we find the markup? By calculating its difference. So let's begin. Amount become 9,044 rupees. Principal amount is 6,800. Alright, what would be the markup is I, take its difference, 9,044 minus 6,800. What is the answer? 2244. You get the answer. This is called your markup. Alright, now they have given you time, they have given you rate. Always remember that whenever we have to find rate must be measured in percentage. Alright, so what is the actual formula is I is equal to P into I into T. We have to find the rate here. So this R will be basic, P and T will be divided here after equal to. So what become, formula will become R equals to I over P into T, but multiply by 100 because rate is always measured in percentage, so we must have to multiply with 100. Alright, so let's begin. Put the values in it. What is I here? Markup 2,244 but multiply by 100. What is the P here? Actual amount 6,800 multiply by 11 time. Now cut it off. You can solve it by yourself. The answer will be 3% answer. This is the rate. Alright. I hope it's clear. It's a very simple and very easy question. We have to find annual rate of markup, but we don't have markup here. So first we find markup. Markup means first we find interest, then we go towards annual rate. And always remember that rate is always measured in percentage. That's the main point. Stay tuned with me for more such examples. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok. Follow my channel Brainy Maths with Kaval on YouTube. Take care. Bye. Hi, I'm Kaval. Today I'm here with another interesting example. So let's begin. A person got loan on which he has to pay 3,500 rupees as markup at the rate of 10% for 3.5 years. What is the amount of loan? What is the amount of loan? Now, question is, you are in such examples, in such questions, you always remember that what they have given you and what you have to find out. All right. He has to pay loan on. Pay loan on which he has to pay 3,500 rupees as markup. Markup means as interest. He has to pay 3,500 as markup, and at the rate of 10% for 3.5 years. They have given you time, they have given you rate, they have given you markup. But what is the amount of loan? What is the actual amount on which he has to pay? So we have to find the amount of loan. In other words, we have to find the actual amount, we have to find the principal amount. So let's begin. Given, what is the given, they have given you? Markup equals to I. As you know, markup represented by capital letter I, equals to 3,500 rupees. Alright. Rate equals to R equals to 10%. 10% means divided by 100. Next, time T equals to 3.5 years. So we have to find the amount of loan. Amount of loan means principal amount we have to find out. It is represented by capital letter P, as you know that. Now, you know the basic formula. I is equals to P into I into T. Alright. Markup equals to principal amount multiplied by rate multiplied by time. Now, we want amount of loan. We want P. So, I will remain same. R and T will be divided there. So, the formula will become I over R into T. Alright. We will create it according to our requirement. So, we have to find principal amount. So, I will remain same. This R and T will as they are multiplying here. After equal to it become divide. I by I to t. I think you know that. So 50 resonate. What is I here? 3500. What is R here? 10 by 100. What is time here? 3.5 years. We have to convert this. We have to remove this decimal divided by 10. All right. As no fraction over fraction, so this will multiply on the numerator. It will become like that. 3500 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 10. What is left here? 10 multiplied by 35. Now cancel off. 10, 10 cancel off. 35 by 35, 35, 100, 3500. Multiply it, it got 10,000. So amount of loan is P equals to 10,000. Actually, my aim, this cutting, this must be done by your own self. I just do for your convenience, but you have to do it by your own self. It's very simple, very easy. So amount of loan is P equals to 10,000 rupees answer. It's a very simple question. It's a very interesting question. You have to find according, you have to make the formula according to your requirement. Alright, you always remember that what is the main formula here? I equals to P into I into T. And we need P stands for principal amount. So we create our required formula. I hope it's clear. This is a very important question. Stay tuned with me and follow for more such examples. Take care. Bye.